Hi Shane,
Hello po.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Speaking of collab, nabanggit kanina, syempre, ngayon recording ka, tapos darating ang araw, magko-concert ka. Sino ang gusto mong makakolab sa concert?
It's hard.
I would say Beanie po because their generation is like the same as mine. We can get the same audience and build bigger fans or yung correct term together. So hopefully po.
Okay, thank you.
Next question, please. Thank you very much.
Hello po.
Sorry, Net 25, one of AP network here in the Philippines. I would like to ask,
Okay.
You're familiar with Sir Benny, right? How big the composer Sir Benny. Can you give us some songs that you want to revive? Na hit songs ni Sir Benny sa tour mo?
Ano na yung ginagawa mo? Any of the songs na sinulat ko na kilala mo?
Maybe Till My Heart Breaks.
Sample.
Hindi ko alam yung lyrics.
Hindi mo alam yung lyrics. Anyway.
Sir, kapag may bibigyan ba ng opportunity, bibigyan niyo po siya ng isang revival songs na?
Yeah, why not? Kung if tingin natin bagay sa present market, gano'n naman ito. So, kumbaga parang pinakuli yung kanta. So, we do a revival, which is medyo fresh yung treatment at saka arrangement.
Shane, can you give us some brief background of yours doon sa
Canada.
Sa Canada.
Toronto ba kayo? Sa Toronto.
Doon ka ba pinanganak or dito ka pinanganak tapos nag-migrate kayo, doon na kayo residency? Doon ka nag-aaral, anong course or?
I was born and raised in Canada po. We came here for vacations, sometimes Christmas, and now I'm here again for this media launch.
Shane, alam mo ba, niready na ng ating spinner yung Till My Heart Breaks na.
Nice!
May lyrics pa yan.
A very rare chance for everyone to witness.
Are you willing to try?
Actually po, can I try the Forever's Not Enough?
Okay.
Forever's Not
I know
Enough.
that one.
Mali yung nilagay mo -1.
Always ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
Si Paul laging ready yan eh. Matikas yan.
Okay. Let's just wait for it. Okay. Perfect. Once again, everyone, Forever's Not Enough by Shane. Let's go.